Welcome to Guarda Wallet versus Bitcoin Core. Which crypto wallet is better? Links to both wallets are included in the description below. In this video, we'll compare the features, strengths, and target audiences of Guarda Wallet and Bitcoin Core to help you determine which one is the better choice for your needs. Guarda Wallet is a non-custodial multi-currency wallet that supports a wide range of cryptocurrencies, including Bitcoin. It offers users complete control over their private keys and is available on mobile, desktop, and web platforms. Guarda is designed for those who want a feature-rich wallet that supports not only Bitcoin, but also thousands of other cryptocurrencies. It also offers integrated exchange services, staking, and even hardware wallet compatibility. Guarda is ideal for users looking for a wallet with flexibility, multi-currency support, and ease of use, while still maintaining full control of their assets. Bitcoin Core, on the other hand, is a full-node Bitcoin wallet. It's specifically designed for users who want to interact directly with the Bitcoin network without relying on third-party servers. Bitcoin Core requires users to download the entire Bitcoin blockchain, which ensures maximum security and decentralization. While Bitcoin Core is more secure, it is also less user-friendly and requires significant storage space and computing power. It's perfect for advanced users who want to fully participate in Bitcoin's ecosystem and validate transactions themselves. However, the setup process is more complex compared to Guarda, and it's not as versatile when it comes to supporting other cryptocurrencies. In conclusion, Guarda Wallet is the better option for most users due to its ease of use, multi-cryptocurrency support, and advanced features like staking and exchanges. It's ideal for those who need a versatile wallet for managing various crypto assets. On the other hand, Bitcoin Core is a powerful tool for advanced Bitcoin users who prioritize security and decentralization over convenience and multi-currency support. If you're a beginner or need a multi-currency wallet, go for Guarda. If you want to be fully immersed in Bitcoin's network and don't mind the complexity, Bitcoin Core is your best bet. Check the links in the description to explore both wallets in more detail.